In today's content-saturated world, instantly captivating visuals have become essential for powerful communication and marketing success. ImageFX by Google Labs transforms how marketers create visuals that resonate with audiences and evoke powerful emotions. Imagine creating so stunning images that tell compelling stories, inspire action, and make your brand truly unforgettable. Why are visuals so compelling? Studies show that images capture attention faster than words, engaging both the heart and mind. The picture-superiority effect explains how images create lasting connections, leaving your audience with a stronger memory of your message. To craft eye-catching marketing images, focus on essential elements: a striking color palette, balanced composition, and audience appeal. When you understand your target audience, you can select visuals that resonate with their lifestyle and aspirations. Getting started with ImageFX is a breeze. Simply sign in with your Google account and access the dashboard. Dive into the "I'm feeling lucky" option to spark creativity with unexpected prompts, like a turtle made of potato chips. Avoid common pitfalls when using ImageFX, such as visual overload, neglecting optimization, and missing essential image SEO practices. Utilizing alt text strategically not only enhances your image SEO, but also promotes accessibility for visually impaired users. Compressing images without losing quality is vital to accelerate website loading times and improve overall user experience. By leveraging ImageFX and following best practices, your marketing visuals can wow your audience and enhance brand recall effortlessly. Read the full blog post at newhorizons123.com.